Good morning to all of you. So let's start a new chapter, that is polynomials. So what is the definition of polynomial? An algebraic expression in the form of a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x cube plus anxn, where a0, a1, a2, a3 are real numbers, are called polynomials. So let's take an example. X square plus 3x plus 4 is a polynomial, or 2x square plus root 3x minus root 5 is also a polynomial. Here x is constant and 4 is variable. You know about constant and variable, but you should remember that the following expressions are not polynomial. Suppose 1 by x, it is not a polynomial since the power of x is negative or minus 1. Or we can take another example, x square plus x plus 3 by x. Is it a polynomial or not? No, it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial because power of x is minus 1. Power of x minus 1, that is negative. So it is not a polynomial. Or we can take another example, root x plus 6. Is it a polynomial or not? No, it is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial because root x, so power of x is 1 by 2. So here fraction, it is a fraction, so the variable power is a fraction, so it is not a polynomial. Or we can say that x to the power 2 by 3 plus 8x plus 1, it is also not a polynomial because here the power of variable is 2 by 3, which is a fraction, so it is not a polynomial. So let's see different types of polynomial. So first one is monomial. So a polynomial having only one term is called a monomial. Suppose example is 2x, it is a single term, so it is a monomial. Or we can say that 4x square, so 4x square is also a monomial. Then binomial, a polynomial having two terms is called binomial because bi means 2. So 2x plus 3, here two terms are 2x and 3, so this is a binomial. Or another example is 4x cube plus x, here two terms, 4x cube is one term and x is another term, so it is also a binomial. Similarly, a polynomial having three terms is called a trinomial. Example 2x4 plus x square plus 1. So here three terms, one is 2x4, another is x square and another is 1. So three terms, it is a trinomial. So multinomial is if the number of term is more than 3, then it is known as multinomial. Suppose x4 plus x cube plus 2x square plus 3. Here there are 4 terms, so it is a multinomial. So let's know about degree of a polynomial. The highest power of a polynomial is known as its degree. If the degree of a polynomial is 0, then it is known as constant polynomial. Suppose 7. 7 is a constant polynomial, so it is always a monomial. So constant polynomial is always monomial. It's always monomial. So 7, its degree is 0 and its value is constant, so it is a constant polynomial. So then linear polynomial. Polynomial of degree 1 is known as linear polynomial. For example, 3x plus 7, it is a linear polynomial because the variable power is 1, so it is degree 1, so it is a linear polynomial. Or we can take that root 5x, it is a linear polynomial because it is of degree 1. Then quadratic polynomial. Polynomials of degree 2 is known as quadratic polynomial. For example, x square plus x plus 1. It is of degree 2 because the highest power of the variable is 2, so it is a quadratic polynomial. The general form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. It is the general form. Then cubic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 3 is known as cubic polynomial. For example, 7x cube plus 6x square plus 8x plus 6. It is a cubic polynomial because it is of degree 3. Or we can say that 12x cube. It is also a cubic polynomial. So a cubic polynomial may be a monomial or binomial or trinomial. Here it is a monomial. Then biquadratic polynomial. A polynomial of degree 4 is called a biquadratic polynomial. For example, x4 plus 2x cube plus 4x square plus x plus 2. Here it is of degree 4 or the highest power of the variable is 4. So it is a biquadratic polynomial. So let's know about standard form of a polynomial. A polynomial written either in the descending powers of x or ascending powers in x is called the standard form of a polynomial. For example, x cube minus 3x square plus 2x plus 1. It is a polynomial in the standard form because the powers are in descending order. Here power is 3, then 2, then power is 1. So descending order, it is a polynomial in standard form. Or we can take another example, 1 plus 6x plus 2x square plus x cube plus x4. So it is a polynomial in the standard form because the powers of x is in increasing order. Here the power of x is 0, here 1, here 2, here power of x is 3 and here 4. So it is a polynomial in standard form. Okay.